In the previous video, we began installing our 4-in-1 ESC and connecting the race wire to motor connections. In the upcoming video, we will be finishing installing the flight controller and all of its components, its receiver, VTX, and FPV camera. We'll first start off by tinning the XT60, which transfers power from the battery to the drone. Also, we can't forget to tin the pads where the XT60's lead-ins will begin. This ensures we have good cohesion and connection between the XT60 wire as well as the pad. Next, we'll begin preparing for the installation of our video transmitter, which transmits our video signal from the drone FPV camera to our FPV goggles. First, we'll start off by tinning the pads, followed by tinning the wires on the VTX, and finally, we'll solder the wires in place on the pad. Next, we'll begin work on our FPV camera. We'll start off by desoldering the ground, power, and signal lead-ins and installing some longer lead-ins. This will help to ensure that we have the proper slack needed in the future due to the fact of any new modifications that are necessary. After installing the new lead-ins, we'll then begin to tin the pads, tin the wires, and begin to install them on their respective places on the flight controller board. Next, we'll begin to prepare our receiver for installation. Our receiver is responsible for receiving the message from our transmitter and controlling our drone while it's in flight. Afterwards, connect the receiver lead-ins to the respective places on the flight controller board. Afterwards, let's check for continuity.